Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Winnie's Way. Today we are going to explore another mall here in Bangkok, and wait till you see this. The malls here are so fascinating to me. So I just got off of the BTS SkyTrain. We all know what that is by now at this point. It's the train that rides above. And as you step off and walk, there's the walkway right here that leads you right into the mall. And here we are. Welcome. And guys, when I stepped inside this place, oh, look at this. Just look at this. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. There is actually a humongous, and when I say humongous, koi pond in this mall. Oh, and there's somebody watching the fishes. Well, I guess he was actually watching the birds or taking care of the birds there because there's some humongous macaws that's in there and they were so beautiful. And at first I thought the guy was a mannequin, but then he finally moved. But yeah, look at this. It's like little China everywhere. And what fascinates me also is the fact that each of these malls have different setups and different themes each month. They change it out. Oh, and the fact that they're always packed and always busy. And this is lunch. The black stuff is caviar as well as the orange. Y'all, these Bangkok malls are unbelievable. Look at this humongous waterfall here on multiple levels, leading down into this. Y'all see that? I think it's about, I don't know, 4 or 5 levels here. Oh my goodness, you can see how big the fishes are in the water. Oh, look at that big black one. It looks like a whale shark. Oh man. Man, it's like 6, 7 of them. These things are so huge. Okay, so now I wanted to take you guys through the market that's down here so that way you could take a look and explore with me to see what options that they have. This is like going to an outside market, but it's on the inside and air conditioned. Yeah, this is what it's like. And each stand would have different option. Like this one, they sell fruits, guava, dragon fruit, and he had mangoes there as well. And this one, they're making some kind of a dish. But yeah, they have different stalls that offer different things. It's just like going through an outdoor market. And this one's meat on a stick, 75 baht. And you could, or I'm sorry, that one's 35 baht. Either pay with baht or you can also scan and pay. Okay, there's some more of that green spicy stuff. A lot of juices. Ooh, and fresh honey. เชิญนะคะและเชิญนะคะซื้อกันได้ค่ะกันได้เลยค่ะ different seeds. เชิญนะคะสอบถามกันได้เลยค่ะลูกค้าครัวบ้านเอไข่พะโล้พี่เอนะคะเรียนเชิญค่ะ I don't know what that green stuff is, but oh. This guy is talking about up close and personal. Sticky rice crackers. Freshly squeezed fruits. Freshly squeezed fruits. Smells so good. And then fresh mackerel. Oh, look at these guys. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. I hope you enjoyed this trip through the mall with me. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.